Paul here, and today on the bench we have this cute little Arvin radio that I restored, and you can see it's got 4 tubes, and let me tell you a little bit about it. This radio I picked up, it was, and keep that volume down because of copyright, it was covered in rust. I took the case down to bare metal, and it's a metal case, and I took out the old grill cloth that was all deteriorated and painted it the same banana yellow that it was originally painted. So we're right back to where we were. I cleaned up the original knobs, the two-tone colors. I thought this one, when I cleaned it, would turn this blue, but it doesn't. I believe it's original. I think it just was blue and green, but I'm not sure. It might have been, this one might have been replaced, but it looks like the original knob to me. I'm currently on my local station.
WCON Cornelia, 1450 AM and 107.7 FM, W299AT, a Habersham broadcasting station. Another hour of relaxing, all-time favorites continues right now on the new 107.7 The Breeze.
Okay, so you see it plays really well. What else it had wrong to it? It apparently got moisture because it was just surface rust. There's, as you can see, there's almost no pitting. I mean, it was just almost beautiful. It was just a surface rust that I took off with a wire brush on my grinder, and then I painted it, and I gave it like 5 coats of paint. So little bit by little bit by little bit. Put new screws in the back, painted the back cover. The speaker, because of the rust got in there, the original speaker was, well, actually the speaker is right here. That's the original speaker. And it's an 8-ohm speaker, permanent magnet. I replaced it with a new 8-ohm speaker. And same speaker, well, it is new. It wasn't really new. It was an old speaker, but in good shape. So it's the exact same speaker I put in there. Let's get this out of here. This is the original output transformer that was mounted on the speaker, and it's open. The primary is open. The secondary was fine, but the primary was open. So I put a new speaker, and it has it has the output transformer on a new speaker. And I changed all of the resistors and capacitors in this unit because I changed almost every single resistor. There might have been 1 or 2 that didn't get changed, but they were almost all out of tolerance, probably because of the output transformer being bad. It might have got hot, or who knows why, right? Maybe they were just out of tolerance, probably cheap resistors. But I replaced all the resistors, and I did an IF and an RF tune on it, and as you heard, for a 4-tube radio, this Arvin plays really well. And it's a nice little radio. It's not very big. Let me show you the dimensions here. You'll get an idea. Okay, so it's roughly what, 6.5 inches by maybe 5 1/4. Maybe 5 3/8, and the depth, counting the knob, is 4.5 inches. So it's not a very big radio, but it's all metal, and it's got new screws all the way around. I wanted to keep the original knobs. I wanted something to show that it's not new. It's a vintage radio. Metal case, that's just awesome. Tubes all tested fine. They were all octal tubes, and yeah, they all checked fine. It only has 1 IF can and does an amazing job with that 1 can. This radio picks up well. Beautiful little radio. Anyway, I just wanted to upload that so y'all could see. I should have took some before video of this radio, but you know, it just looks so bad. I had no idea I'd get it looking this good. And of course, it has a polarized plug. The case is isolated from the line cord, so it is safe. And of course, with the knobs on it and all, you know, it's safe. So there you have it. And I hope you enjoyed looking at this cute little Arvin radio. And if you find one, they're worth restoring. They're not bad little radios. Sound good, look good, kind of cute. 1948, 49, I believe. And they came out in red, white, or cream, and green, and banana yellow. I forget the official names for the others. It's like leaf green, and I forget what the name of the red was. But anyway, you know, that was the names, and this one is the one I cared about. It was called banana yellow. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and check out my channel. I got a lot of restoration videos. Some are still in process. Some, I apologize, I started way back and haven't finished. I just haven't had time. But I do have the videos recorded. I just got to get them processed and uploaded, and I'll do that as when time allows. But you'll still find a lot of videos that help you with different issues. That's what I try to address. I try to target issues and explain what the problem is and how to solve those particular problems. And they're problems that would be found in numerous brands and models of radios, not just specific to the current one on the bench. So my videos are more educational and training, so take a look at them if you haven't already. Thank you. Have a great day.